Greetings to all friends. Today is a very important video. We will talk about what will happen to Bitcoin and the entire crypto market tomorrow. Let's go. And first of all, let's look at the graph of the Ethereum coin. Now, it is trading at values of about $2,800. Let's look at the chart in more detail. Here we have the strongest resistance level, which in the past were the support level. We are now at exactly this level. We have grown well these days. Since the last growth we have made about 30%, and now if merged we have also made about 30% growth on this news. This is what gave rise to the growth of all altcoins. But what will happen next? I'm sure that this is not the end of growth. Most likely now there will be a small correction to the zone of the $1,900. Or we will go to conquer the zone of $2,500 without kickbacks. In general, here you can see a strong bullish pattern in the form of triangle with an upward breakout and growth up to 3,000 or 4,000. But I think this is one big trap. By the way, I talk about the growth of altcoins and others on my past videos even before the growth itself, so subscribe. I share my analytics for free, but your feedback is very important to me. Moreover, it's not difficult for you. Pause and like this video. It will motivate me a lot because I'm only at the very start of my development on YouTube. Thank you, friends. So let's continue. Now, locally, I would transfer assets from Bitcoin to altcoins. Let's look at the Bitcoin chart. Today we will continue our sideways movement, and in general I will not focus my attention on this. I will only say that most likely in coming days we will also continue to accumulate in sideways movement of about 30,000 for one Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin dominant charts. On it we see that we have finally bounced back, as I said in previous videos. This means that a large amount of money has already begun to flow from Bitcoin into altcoins, including Ethereum. Now, there are two possible options. Either we will break this level up, the Bitcoin will go to conquer $35,000, or we will bounce back. But in any case, a rebound is needed before breaking up, and more than what we see now. Moreover, in any of the cases, I expect a good growth of altcoins, at least 30%. But what to buy, you ask? I stand by my opinion, and even before the growth of 40%, I recommended the Arbitrum coin. It has not fulfilled its potential. We bought it a mark of 1/10 of a dollar, and are now building the goal of $2 for one token. The project is new fundamental. Now, we have seen a slight pullback, but tomorrow we will see an increase to 1/8 and a dollar for a coin. Be sure of it. And the second coin in my portfolio is Aptos. We bought in at $3.50 and sold it for 17. We are in a very close relationship with the Aptos team, so we knew many hidden points. Now we see the beginning of the third wave of growth with a potential of $30 per one coin. Well, friends, that's all I wanted to tell you about. Don't forget about your likes, and see you in the next video. Thank you, guys.